What if I told you that if you're 50 plus, you are in the perfect position to have one of the coolest, most interesting, and most valuable types of businesses online today? And you won't need to learn too much more than what you already know to start and grow this business. And what if I told you that this business costs $0 to start and just $9 per month after a 14-day free trial? I'm going to show you exactly what has been making me thousands of dollars every single month for the past 2 years that took me by complete surprise when I first learned about it. Now, I'm 45, and this video is for anyone who is 50 plus and is ready to make a difference in their own lives and in the lives of other people. There is a platform called Skool. If you go to the link in the description of this video, I will link you right to a Skool membership that you can create. If you want to make more money and want to reach people from all over the world or even locally, Skool is the best platform to monetize. It's like having a Facebook group, but you can monetize it in multiple ways. So this is just one of several groups that I have on Skool. You just need to have one. If you go here and you click on create community, it will take you to this. It'll tell you that I'll tell you, you get a 14-day free trial, and you can do the hobby version, which gets you unlimited members, unlimited courses that you can create, unlimited videos that you can post, unlimited live calls that you can host without needing Zoom or anything like that for $9 per month after your free trial. So you see here, you click on that and then you put in a group name. You can always change it and then you're off to the races. The last Skool membership that I built was this one, and it took me less than 30 minutes to get it live, not launched, live. And that is because all you have to do is go into the classroom and start pressing new course, typing in a few things, and it gives you a few options. It's very, very simple. There's not a lot to it. You have a calendar, you have a list of members. There's even a map that tells you where your members are, and you can zoom in there. And there are leaderboards so that your members can have like a gamified experience based on how many likes they get on their comments and posts. And then, of course, there's that main posting section where you get to talk to them and they get to talk to you. You can even email them every 72 hours from here. So this is very, very cool. And this one is about your first 1K, getting your first 1K in a 31-day period, but yours can be about anything. And I'm going to prove that to you right now. I'm going to take you over to Schoolers. And Schoolers is the school for people who have their own schools. If you go over here to leaderboards, this tells you the different types of schools that are making the most money. I don't want you to think now I'm making 18,000 per month, but this is actually not as much as I'm making. I'm actually making more than this because I have different ways you can pay me. But I don't want you thinking too much about, oh, I have to make 10,000, 30, 100,000. Don't worry about that. I just want you to see the variety of what people are making money doing. So for instance, let's see. For instance, let's go to hobbies. So there's someone making, let's see, photo project. There's someone making $33,000 per month with her photo project. Megan is making that. Let's see what that is. Get your camera roll clean today. So she's basically helping moms finally get every photo you've ever taken safe, organized, and backed up step by step with real support each week until it's done. So she's very clear on what this is. It costs $7 per month and it has a free 7-day trial. How cool is that? So then she tells you what it is. The customers join And then they can join for $7 per month standard after the free trial, or 37 per month with all this premium stuff. And that is why you can make money with a free school. You give either a free trial, or like me, I have a free school, this one, where it's completely free to join. You join here, but then you have plans that you can take. So it's not a free trial, it's a free group, but then there are upgrades you can get. So then let me show you another one. Let's just see another one that seems interesting. The Acting Lab, $27,000. Learn Spanish, $23,000 per month, not year. How cool is this? Russian Chess School, Real Dog Rehab Dog Training, Slow English, a lot of language stuff. Creator Club, dog training, Hamilton dog training. Let's see what that is. So he's making, it sounds like he's making $11,000 per month teaching you how to train your dog. And let's see what the different ones are. So the price is not listed here. It says free, but it's probably an upgrade. So how cool is this, right? Let me go to another thing. Let's say it's not hobby. Well, there's music. I'll say that really quick. Lots of music stuff. So if you're a musician, artist, ton of stuff you could do there. I'm in the money category. There's spirituality. What does that look like? Okay, so the Angel Archetype Society makes $29,000 per month. Let's not even go that high. Let's say you want to do beyond, let's say Elisa's visibility, it's in Spanish or Portuguese. It's $4,400 per month. Look at that. Okay. Now let's go to the money category, because if you're an entrepreneur, you might have that category. And let's look, let me show you this. The number one school of all time right now is the Blue Collar Business Accelerator, making $785,000 per month. We're talking $9 million or $10 million, closer to 10 per year. You have Mikey's Money House making $53,000. And that's just the biggest ones. There's so many making a lot less than that. Let's go into health. Let's scroll down to the bottom. $8,500 is the 50th. So I want you to understand just how much you can do here. And I'm going to show you one more thing. So there's this one, and then self-improvement. Let me go to the bottom here. So I want you to see, if you look at this goat farm. Kingdom First leaders committed to multiplying greatness as their goat farm, $1,000 a month. So interesting. So interesting. How do you do this? Well, you start a school, and you don't even have to have your niche figured out. But let's say you've got your offer figured out. You can base it on your offer, name it something really clear. And there's certain things that I'll teach you inside of my summer school, which is also free. Like, I just want you to do this and know this. I want as many people who I feel should be on YouTube should also be on Skool. So I'm just giving you so much of this for free. I'll teach you how to find your offer. I'll teach you how to describe what your school is about. I'll teach you how to get people to come see your school, and how to even think about your tiers of, okay, is it going to be free and then upgrades, or is it going to be paid to begin with? How do I do all of that? I'll teach you all of that in my summer school, which is free. You click on the link below. And we have more than 50% of the people inside of your first 5K membership, where summer school is held, are over 40. More than, no, over 50, maybe over 70 or 80% are over 40. More than 50% are over 50. More than 50% are over 50. Come on in. I can't wait to work with you. It's going to be so much fun. It's absolutely free. And then you get that 14-day free trial of Skool to test it out while you learn. And then you pay just $9 per month. What is your school going to be about? Let me know in the comments if you already have a good idea. It doesn't have to be perfect yet or ever. I know someone who's doing stuff on bee farming. I know someone who's helping you make stickers and making like 20,000 a month. I know people who are doing some awesome stuff. There are people who are doing like consulting. They've moved their consulting over to Skool. Anything that they could do on Facebook, they can do on Skool. I want to see what you can make happen. Let me know in the comments what you're doing.